of the morning light. I hear a whisper, soft and bright, a melody so pure and true. Heaven's calling, breaking through. Echoes of heaven ringing in my soul, calling me deeper, making me whole. Voices of angels lifting my praise. Glory to Jesus, Ancient of Days. Through the trials, through the rain, I hear the sound that breaks the chain. A secret song, a holy flame, declaring freedom in His name. Echoes of heaven ringing in my soul, calling me deeper, making me whole. Voices of angels lifting my praise. Glory to Jesus, Ancient of Days. He walks with me through every storm. His love eternal keeps me warm. The songs above, they never end. From heaven's throne His grace descends. Echoes of heaven filling the sky, lifting my spirit, drawing me high. Worship unending, grace ever true. Heaven is singing and I hear you. Echoes of heaven, I hear them still, guiding my heart to follow His will. Until the day I see His face, I'll walk in mercy, truth, and grace. I've been walking through a dry land, thirsty heart and empty hands, longing for your voice again, to wash away this weary pain. I lift my eyes, I lift my hands, Lord, I'm ready for your plan. Rain on my soul, pour out your grace, fill every part with your holy embrace. Let mercy fall like rivers untamed, refreshing my heart in Jesus' name. Come like a flood, take full control, and rain, Lord, rain on my soul. There's healing in your gentle rain, peace that soothes my deepest pain. Each drop a promise from above, a flood of mercy, a stream of love. I'm wide open, here I stand, drenched in hope by your hand. full control. And rain, Lord, rain on my soul. Let it fall, let it pour. I need you now like never before. Every dry place come alive. Let your spirit rise and rise. Rain on my soul, pour out your grace. Meet me right here in this sacred place. You are the well that makes me whole. So rain, sweet Jesus, rain.